Guys, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today is the 1st of July, and we are all celebrating Canada Day. And it's really, really nice. I mean, wherever you are from, anywhere in the world, so long you're here and you call Canada home, today we celebrate Canada.
Canada Day celebration at the Legislature grounds have been one of Alberta's most cherished gatherings, typically featuring a pancake breakfast, official flag raising, and all Canada ceremony, live stages, multicultural performances, family zones, and evening entertainment, including fireworks. It's now the largest province wide celebration, drawing over 30,000 attendees annually. Over the years, the event has grown to include a full open house of the legislature building, roving brass band, storytelling, cultural booths, drift performances, arts, crafts, tent, and food trucks. But in 2020, for the first time in modern memory, the event was cancelled due to public health restrictions in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Celebrating Canada Day at the legislature ground had been a meaningful tradition. The Legislative Assembly took this difficult decision. But in 2022, the full-scale event resumed on July the 1st, 2022, restoring in-person programming that emphasized provincial pride and multiculturalism. What you will typically enjoy on this day includes early morning pancake breakfast, noon ceremony, legislature building tours and open house, family fun zones, diversity stage, contemporary music stage, roving performance, food vendors and community booths, and fireworks. Celebrations on the legislature ground not only marks Canada's birthday, but also symbolizes the heart of Alberta's democratic identity: open, diverse, and civic-minded. The event links civic education, tours of the chamber and visit to the visitor center with cultural unity, reflecting the province's multicultural fabric. Given its scale and the returning format post-pandemic, it remains Alberta's flagship Canada Day celebration. Every year on July 1st, a special transformation takes place in the heart of Edmonton. The Alberta Legislature ground, normally a serene political hub, becomes the stage for one of the biggest, boldest, and most beautiful Canada Day celebration in the country. This is more than just a birthday party. It's a celebration of who we are, where we have been, and where we are going. The day kicks off with a time-honored prayer tradition, the pancake breakfast. You find local communities setting up grills before sunrise, serving thousands of free pancakes and sausages. The smell, irresistible. And just steps away, you might witness one of the most moving parts of the day, citizenship ceremonies. Right on the legislature steps, newcomers to Canada take their oath, receive their first Canadian flag, and are welcomed by thunderous applause from strangers turned neighbors. At noon sharp, the main ceremony begins. The air steals, flags fly, and the crowd joins together for a resounding version of Old Canada, often led by performers like Andrea House or Rob Clark, Alberta's own anthem icons. The ceremony is more than symbolic. It's a reminder of how far we've come as a province and as a nation. It honors Treaty 6 territory, acknowledges our indigenous roots, and celebrates our multicultural identity. From there, the entire ground explodes with color, sound, and spirit. The South Stage becomes a cultural kaleidoscope with performance by Ukrainian dancers, Filipino choirs, Cree drummers, and taiko drummers that shake the lawn beneath your feet. The heart of the afternoon beats at the main stage, where Alberta's top musical acts take over. This year, it was the Mad Dates. They gave beautiful rendition of their songs and popular Canadian songs. Hungry? You find a food truck village selling up everything from bannock to bison burgers, butter chicken to bubble tea. The aroma alone are worth the visit. From a simple gathering into a layered celebration, Canada Day at the Alberta Legislature has evolved into a day long festival of national pride, culture, and democracy. Despite interruptions in 2020 and 2021, its robust return showcases its deep roots in Alberta's civic life, and it promises to continue uniting Albertans in community and celebrations for years to come. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.